Hello, this is Philip from Leftover Treasures. I'm talking about a upcoming in-person live auction that'll be occurring on December 17th in Northeast Clovis. It is a 2-acre farm or 2-acre property with a lot of farm equipment and vehicles, trucks, and trailers. So we'll be auctioning off this loader here with the scraper attached. Hasn't run in about 10 years, but it's been well taken care of. They have it lifted, so the tires didn't go bad. Next we got a 3-axle trailer, another Ford, and another Ford beyond that. All the vehicles and vessels except for one have paperwork and titles from the estate. That one does have the engine in it. Then we have a Ford F-250. Then we have a John Deere 1020 tractor. That'll also be up for auction. All the vehicle tires are aired up, and as you can see, they're in pretty good shape for sitting for 10 years. Even on the old Ford here, we got air and it is elevated off the ground. So they are ready to move. And altogether, I think we got about 5-6 tractors we're going to be selling, a lot of trailers, various kinds. We got another service truck here. I think this one is also a Ford. Really old 20th century farm equipment. So it's a 2-acre property and it's kind of filled throughout. We got a lot of farm implements here. I think you got an old generator there. Air compressor, actually. And you got some tanks. We're gonna sell these tanks. Some good wood. Got another farm trailer here. This one's nice. And again, all these have paperwork with them. The tires are aired up. Oh, look at this thing. Yeah, we're selling this too. Nice little tractor, and they covered everything up to keep water out of it. So they put roofing on the tractor to keep it safe. Tires are still aired up, but they do need to be replaced though. I thought this was interesting. They're old wood rims with a Cadillac symbol. I haven't seen this in a while. This is a Farmall tractor. Some more farm stuff. Got some old wagons. Wow, look at this thing. That's some Final Destination stuff right here. So I've walked up and down this property a few times already. It's 2 acres total. I just keep finding things. So here's all these cement benches. Looks like one of them didn't make it. But you still got... There's at least 3 or 4 that are still intact. That's pretty cool. You got a ditch witch. Big ol' RV. there's 2 RVs total, but I think one of them doesn't have paperwork. But it is owned by the estate, so we'll just have to do a little bit of paperwork to get that transferred. And then there's this big old pile of what they thought was scrap metal. Then we got a 2-ton floor jack there, aluminum rims. There's part of a stove. Got a lot of metal. There's a lot of good cable in there, so I'm going to dig all this out. And look, there's antique buckets in there. A lot of good stuff. You got ammo. Oh, there's ammo boxes too. More cable. And then, oh, you got a lot of scrap wire too. So there's good stuff, and there'll be a lot of scrap. Wire scrap, aluminum scrap that we'll sell as well. There are even some tractor plates in there too. So definitely have to go through this. More stuff. Wash buckets, ammo boxes. Brand new pots and pan sets. Got some trellises there, nice iron ones. Got a glass bottle. Some good old milk cans. We got a horse trailer. This is the only trailer that doesn't have tires, but luckily there's a whole pile of tires. So I'm sure that can be accommodated, finding tires. And then, oh, another RV. This one does have paperwork though. But again, they haven't run in about 10 years. So just gonna keep that in mind. Oh, we got another trailer here. A little truck box trailer with brand new tires in it. Unbelievable. Yeah, you know, you don't get them this nice sometimes. And a little box scraper. So again, this will be on December 17th. Probably start about 11 a.m. This will be my auction. So I'll have my seating, covered seating with the monitor, so everybody will be seated and can watch everything we're selling on the TV monitor. I'm guessing 300 to 400 lots total. We're going to sell all the machinery at a designated time, probably about 1 o'clock or so. And so thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or text message, and hope to see you at the auction. Thank you.